Hi, I'm H-Black and today I'm going to be talking about Occam's razor. Occam's razor was made by a 12th century intellectual, William of Ockham, who is a friar, philosopher, and a theologian. Occam's razor in the modern day is often stated as the simplest answer is the most likely to be true. In this case, simplest doesn't mean the most elegant, shortest, or most persuasive theory, but that the theory which is based on the fewest unsupported presuppositions is the most likely to be true. The justification for Occam's razor is a direct result of probability theory, as, by definition, all assumptions introduce the possibility for error. Hence, if an assumption does not improve the accuracy of a theory, its only effect is to increase the probability that the theory is wrong. Occam's razor is split into two parts. The principle of plurality, which states, plurality should not be posited without necessity. What this means is that you shouldn't add additional information if the information is unnecessary. And the principle of parsimony, which states it's pointless to do with more what is done with less. This comes from the word parsimony, which means very unwilling to spend money or resources, and means that you should keep all things as simple as possible, increasing efficiency. I feel that a good example is that if two computer programs perform a function, the shorter one, in which less code can go wrong, will likely have less errors, making it preferable to the longer program. However, if it's the case that a better, more complex program is made, then the more complex program should be preferred. There are also some opposing views to Occam's razor, like Carl Menger's law against miserliness, which states that entities must not be reduced to a point of inadequacy, and that it is vain to do with fewer what requires more. Or as I'd put it, a simpler theory can apply to more things than a complex but more focused theory, which makes it easier to disprove. Or Francis Crick, a co-discoverer of the structure of DNA, who warned that the simplicity and elegance of Occam's razor wasn't well suited to the messy world of biology. Or as Einstein put it, everything should be made as simple as possible, but not simpler. And if you are wondering how William of Ockham reconciled his law with his religion, it's because he was a fideist, stating that only faith gives us access to the theological truth, and that God cannot be found with human logic or rationality, which is a cool thing which I think people today could benefit from. So in conclusion, by reducing the number of unsupported, unnecessary assumptions in the foundations of an explanation, you reduce the likelihood of the theory being wrong. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe.